Okay, it's been exactly 4.2 seconds. The molecular structure of my kitchen has definitely changed since my last expedition. I can feel it. The spawn rates must have updated. My mission? Operation Fridge Check. Part 73. Last time, there was just a single judgmental bottle of ketchup. But what if a fully loaded pizza just rendered in? Or a stack of Bloxy Colas? The possibilities are literally infinite. By the way, comment what you hope spawns in your fridge. I'll give some Robux to a random comment. No cap. Alright, moment of truth. Let's do this. Engaging the latch. Opening the portal. And it's the ketchup. It's still just the ketchup.